another idea which actually helps me a lot to change while I'm changing my background. Before I tried so many times to change my background, and I had difficulties while I'm changing my background with different type of websites or applications which found in App Store or Play Store. But finally I came with another websites which is very useful to change the background. It's very useful. It works very fast, easy and efficiently. So let's have a look how we can start with that website. First of all, we have to open our Google search bar and type remove.bg. Let me show you here. Let's open Google Chrome and type here remove.bg. It's already here. Actually, I searched it before and I used it as well. Let's go to it. Yep. Then you'll find the interface the same way. Then you'll find the upload image. Click on it, and I already tried few pictures. Let's take one picture from here. Let's see. Yep, here it comes. So it's already changed automatically. It's very easy and useful and very fast and efficient. And if you download it directly from here, and you will find you will see the background is only just black, but you can edit it also. Let's try first one. Yep, it's downloaded already. Let's open it. Let's see how it came. Yep, it's exactly oh, very nice picture actually. Let's go back and we can try to edit. Let's edit here, and here you can blur that picture. Let's take a look. We can blur more. Yeah, and then we can change our background as well from here. They got a nice background actually, but you can click on here to find the if you don't want blur, then a lot of backgrounds here actually. But if you don't want black background, only just to add color, it's also here. It's really amazing. It works perfectly. You will not find any single mark here and there. It comes automatically and very fast, efficient. And once you are done, just click on here, download button. Let's download it. Yep, download image, download, and then it's done. Here you go. Open. Now it's done perfectly. So even there is no single mark. It came exact what I want actually. You guys can have a look at it. Thank you very much. If you like this video, please share and subscribe.